By the way, I'm so curious about your love life. Have you ever had a boyfriend before, Dora? It's been a while since my last relationship. Episode 12. Girls Talk. Dora, how was that white dress? Come on, hurry up, girl. I'd love to see if it looks good on you. Wait a minute, I'm almost done. In case it doesn't, I have already chosen another one for you. This yellow dress will surely flatter your brunette skin and hair more than that white one does. Ta-da! How do you think? Oh, no. With the experience of being a supermodel for 3 years, I have to tell you the truth. Dora, it looks weird on you. Is it that bad? It is, girl. The white dress looks a bit too big for you. The yellow one may fit you better. Jess, is that you? Oh, Troy. To what do I owe the pleasure of meeting you here? You're still being savage, Jess. And yes, may I introduce you two to each other? This is my girlfriend, Mary. Hi, Mary. I'm Jess, Troy's ex-girlfriend. I'm Dora Pearson, the reporter at the NYH. And I'm Jess's flatmate. Nice to meet you, girls. Mary's French. She's an exclusive model of Sherry Boom Agency. Nice to meet you two. We're busy now. Excuse me, how can I help you two with that? That was a very awkward situation for us, don't you think? Yeah, I'm getting used to it now. Do you forget that I'm a model? My job is to show off the beauty of fashion to people's eyes. And the thing is that Troy is a model too. Sometimes we still have to walk on the same runways. No wonder why they have stunning body shapes. I don't want to admit, but Mary is drop-dead gorgeous. Yeah, she is probably the sexiest girl I've ever seen. Agree. But anyway, I don't like Troy. Can we just talk about something else? Why, Jess? Tell me. Fine, but you have to treat me to some cheesecakes. Deal, it's on me. Let's go find you the bakery. You've got your cheesecakes. Spill your beans, Jess. All right, what do you want to know? Tell me why you hate Troy so much. No, I don't hate him. I just don't like him. Remember what I told you about the wasabi guys? Troy is a wasabi guy. Oh, yes. I can pick those characteristics of him up just by listening to what he said. Mary's French. She's an exclusive model of Cherry Boom Agency. Don't be so mean, Jess. Troy really needs to learn how to control himself and not be an arrogant person. When we were dating, he acted like he was my mom. Was he such a controller in love? He was, and still is. That's who he is. He would be annoyed if I didn't wear matching outfits with his. He told me what I could eat and could not. It was such a nightmare for me.
He didn't allow you to eat sweets and fast food, did he?
Yes, he was literally my mom. My mom always says that if I eat one more chocolate bar, I will be an oversized model.
Poor you. My mom and dad are food lovers. They usually encourage me to eat more, do more exercise to be more healthy.
Oh, my dad said the same thing.
You don't like to talk too much about your family, right?
My parents worked far from home since I was a little girl. So most of the time of my childhood, I was being raised and taken care of by Granny.
She must be a very cool woman.
She is. You have to meet my Granny someday. She's like the Marilyn Monroe of my family. The most elegant woman on this planet. She cooks, she dances, she sews, and she can do everything.
Sounds great. I'll be happy to meet your family.
By the way, I'm so curious about your love life. Have you ever had a boyfriend before, Dora?
It's been a while since my last relationship. He was my first boyfriend. We were just high school kids back then.
Aw, high school couple. During my high school year, I was investing all my time in modeling classes and extra activities. No more time left for dating and talking with the boys.
Yes, I understand.
You two were classmates?
We were. His name is Peter. He was the leader of our high school's rugby.
Wow, sporty guy. Who had the special feelings for the other first?
I don't know. I guess we had very strong chemistry with each other during working in pairs in our science class.
What a story!
At the end of our first year, Peter asked me to go to the prom with him. And that was when we started being a couple. My high school friends always said that Peter and I were really cute together. And I thought they were right.
Things seemed pretty fine, so what happened with you two?
Well, in our senior year, we got to choose universities to apply, right? Peter always wanted to become a professional rugby player. He applied for a university here in New York, and I was chosen to receive a scholarship at Boston University.
So, you guys had a long-distance relationship?
Yeah, we talked and we understood how hard for both of us to be in a long-distance relationship. Therefore, we broke up.
How sad. But did you mention that Peter was going to a university in New York?
I did.
Why don't you ask him where he has been? Peter's probably here. I think that you two still have a chance.
Oh, Jess. The past is in the past already.
Expect the unexpected, my friend.